Saturday, guys.
Happy Saturday, guys.
Happy Saturday. We just left the Scholastic place where Amari gets his Letterman's jacket and cap and gown. All of that was ordered today. Don't mind this trash can in the back seat. That's for the girls. I'm giving them my old trash can. Right now, we're getting ready to pull up to Trader Joe's. And the girls are meeting us here. They're already here. But we're going to go in Trader Joe's. There was some stuff that we've been seeing on TikTok and all over. They have like this witch's brew wine. There they go right there. And they have it here at Trader Joe's. So we're going to go in and see if they have some here. Hopefully they do. Ooh, nukes. Hopefully I can go in there and get a sandwich. They have a good sandwich there that I like. But anyways, you guys, I wanted to start the vlog off for today. I did not get to open up my Amazon packages last night because I was just tired by the time I got home. We ended up just going to bed. Oh, and that bed gotta go back. It is too firm. It's so hard, you guys. I did not get a good sleep, and Babe did not either. So I don't know when we're gonna do that, but we're gonna have to take it back to Costco and just get a regular one because it's all bad. But anyways, I'm gonna get. Babe, you're not coming in? Mm-hmm. Why?
Ain't all that to me.
This man, he be
Grocery store. Like
it's not just a grocery store. It's a whole experience. It's a vibe.
It's Trader Joe's.
Such a pretty day, you guys. I got on my pumpkin spice sweatshirt and my fatigue and some tennis shoes. Look at that. Getting out the car. Hi. 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 Hi, girls. Hi. Hi. Hi, grandson. What you doing at Trader Joe's? What are you doing here at Trader Joe's, grandson? What are you doing here? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up, grandson? Lele. Hi, sweet girl. You at Trader Joe's?
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, grandson.
Go get those feet.
Right. I know, right? Oh, it's these that smell good. It's the cinnamon broom. Oh, this is so cute.
Nene, you want a pumpkin?
I need some. Oh, I gotta get some pumpkin. I am. I'm gonna. I had planned on getting them some little pumpkin. It's tight, huh? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Come on.
What?
Yeah. Come on. Put her in there. Oh. You got her?
Okay.
Sweet mama. Hey, girlfriend. All right, let's go. Michaela, you going back out?
No. I'm gonna make those flowers.
What? Go get it. We made it back home, you guys, and I want to put my stuff away. So real quick, because we gotta go. Babe has a haircut. I want to show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. I'm excited about this. It kind of got wet from all the other stuff, but that's the pumpkin cheesecake. I got 2 little pumpkins for my grandbabies. I'm gonna put these with their boo basket. You guys, I picked up this eucalyptus because I want to try to put this in my shower. And try that. They smell so good, y'all. I got lobster ravioli. Got 2 of those. I got the birria beef for birria tacos. I got 2 of those. A ribeye steak. Some tempura shrimp. Some mandarin orange chicken. Some teriyaki barbecue chicken. I think this would be good with like rice or something like that. They didn't have that witch's brew wine that I was telling you guys about. She said they sold out like within the day and they won't be getting any more left. So she did tell me we probably won't find any of those because they just sell out and they don't expect to get more in stock. But she told me about a different brand that is similar to that taste of the witch's brew, and this is called apple pie. It has like it's a fresh pressed apple wine with vanilla notes. So hopefully that tastes good. She said it tastes pretty good. So I got some pumpkin bread, oldie but goodie. This is like a staple. I love to get these from Trader Joe's, and they kind of like, they're hard but gooey all at the same time. And vodka sauce. I feel like my camera's still not focusing. I got the cutest little pumpkin shaped hot chocolate melts. And that's it. Oh. And a can of pumpkin puree. So that's all. That's my little haul, you guys. There's Babe waiting. I'm done. He was waiting on me. All right, y'all. I had to do that real quick because his appointment is at 3:30. And it's already a little after 3. I gotta put this pumpkin pie in the refrigerator. Put all of this in the refrigerator. I'm about to walk out the door. How I just do a whole haul and then walk right out. Hey y'all, I just left from Home Goods. I dropped off that rug, or returned that rug that I saw yesterday, or that I showed you guys yesterday, and just got a refund because I did see one at Target that I might like, but I have to order it online. It would be a little bit, well, it's like a 5x8 or something. Like it was bigger. It was kind of like one of the ones that was in the middle. Like I was thinking, like, I wonder if they had one a little bigger than that. So I guess they do. But yeah, I ended up getting a candle and one of those things. I'll show you guys when I get home. But I got a really large candle for like $12.99. It was like a clearance, and it smelled good. So I was like, I'm getting that. But Babe is right up the street. He got his hair cut. I just dropped him off, and then he called me and said he was ready, and I'm like, dang, that was fast. Oh, is this glitter all on my face? You guys, everything in the stores now is all Christmas, okay? It's time to get Christmas activated because it's just so nice. I went to Home Depot yesterday, and I was looking at the trees. They got that one TikTok viral tree. They have it in my store, and I've been bugging my husband about it. Well, I ain't been bugging him about it, but I keep showing it to him. And then yesterday I sent him a video of the tree in person, and he was like, just get it, babe, get it, just get it. What was this number? I don't know. But anyways, I just didn't want to spend that kind of money on a tree when I have a fairly new tree at home that I just got maybe 2 years ago. Actually, it's not even a maybe 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago when I got my tree that I have, but it's flocked. And now I'm kind of like over the flocked look, and I want a regular tree. Just a green tree, plain green tree. And the lights on this tree, there's over 2,000 lights. I think it's like 2,200 lights on that tree. And they're the LED, the tiny little, I mean, they're like, I don't know what you call those lights, but that's what makes the tree. It's the lights. The lights is doing it for me, and it's tugging on my heart, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because for the 9-foot tree, I would have to pay $500 for that tree, and I just can't right now. We got so much going on with Amari. Like right now, we just spend a bunch of money at for his Letterman jacket and cap and gown package and all of the things. It's just a lot. And then this is our week to host their senior day for the football seniors. So yeah, I just said, you know what, I'm gonna make a responsible decision and not do it. So I didn't do it, y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I thought about it long and hard, and I'm still thinking about it, but I'm not gonna do it. It's just a thought. But I'm about to pull up, pick up Babe. It's actually 4:09, and we haven't ate. But there's this place right next door to where he gets his hair cut that sells like wings and stuff, and he want to try it out. So I guess we're gonna do that. But that's where he's at now. He went in to order some food until I got here, and literally I'm right here. I just left when I started talking to you guys, and I'm here now. That's how close I was from him to Home Goods. So, but anyways, y'all, I'll show you guys my candle when I get home. Y'all know him? I don't know him. Who that man? Who is you?
It's me, baby.
This man went and cut his beard off and was serious, huh?
Got tired of it. Got tired of it. I feel like it's going back already.
Dang.
I just cut it.
I gotta stare at him for a while.
I'm like an old man.
Babe, you never look like an old man to me. You just look
Yeah.
like you got a beard that you need to
I had a
tame.
gray. What did it when you sent me that picture? Me sitting down and my beard is like snow white gray.
And that's the picture I like.
I look like Peter.
Well, you look nice, but it looks nice. You look cute.
You look younger.
You was a little nervous.
Oh,
Yes, you
I
are.
know I'm gonna look like baby.
No, you was nervous if I was gonna like it or not. I know.
I consider your considerations.
Thank you. So I got this tray, y'all. This was $8.99. And this is the candle that I got. And this candle was $12.99, y'all. And I thought it was a great deal because of how big it was. They had some in there that was $34. So I got this to go on my table over there. And yeah, but I think this comes off before I would light it. But yeah, I thought this was super, super cool for the price. I think it was on sale. It smells so good, y'all. It's a sandalwood vanilla scent. Ooh, I gotta get y'all's other vlog up. It's just sitting there. I'm sorry. It's gonna be up. I'm gonna put it up right now. Once I get this situated. Oh, and I need to show y'all my Amazon stuff I got. But I think I'm gonna get the vlog up first. It smells so good. That's what he just added. Pick it up. This man got a collection, y'all. You can tell he been drinking this one. Woodford Reserve.
Double up.
John J. Bowman. That's funny. All right, y'all. So let me show you my candle. Look at my table. I feel like I show y'all my table every time, but I'm loving how it's turning out. It's so like, it's the organic neutral colors. It's like really clean, very neutral for sure. And I moved this thing here from there and put it here on the end, and then put that in the middle. I'm about to light my little candle. It smells so good. I'm happy with that. Loving it.